Hello, dear aspirants. This is Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. Our contact number is 9836793076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 9836793076. And our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So, if you have any mathematical queries, doubts, or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, which is sourceclasses@gmail.com. Then our team can arrange a out clearing session for you. After that, you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations. Okay. Hope you understood, guys. So we are now solving a problem which is appeared in the GATE Artificial Intelligence question paper. And the question is telling us that if a real variable x satisfies 3 to the power x square equals to 27 into 9 to the power x, then the value of 2 to the power x square by 2 to the power x whole square is, there are four options here which are 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power 0, 2 cube and 2 to the power 15. Okay, so let us see what we can do with this. So, all right. So now what we are getting from the question? So we are getting 3 to the power x square is equals to 27 into 9 to the power x. Okay. So from this we can write what? So as we know that our 3 to the power x square is equals to 27 is 3 cube and we are having 3 to the power 2x here, because 9 is 3 square, so 3 square to the power x, that should be 3 to the power 2x. Okay. So from this we will have 3 to the power x square, which is equals to 3 to the power 3 plus 2x. So if we take log in this in both of the sides, so we will get now x square log 3 and we will get 3 plus 2x, then log 3. And log 3 is some non-zero quantity, so we can cancel out them in both of the sides, from both of the sides. So we will get now x square minus 2x minus 3, that is equals to 0. So finally from this we should get x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 equals to 0. And now finally x will be common from the first two, so we will get x minus 3 and 1, so we will get x minus 3 here. So finally we are getting x minus 3 into x plus 1, that is equals to 0. Okay, so from this we should have x equals to 3 comma and our x is minus 1. Now our simplification is done. So and this we have solved the quadratic equation as well. So now we are going to evaluate the expression, which is our 2 to the power x square by 2 to the power x whole square. So that is equals to our 2 to the power x square by 2 to the power 2x. Okay. So from this we can write that will be 2 to the power x square minus 2x. Very good. Now let's evaluate this for both x equals to 3 and x equals to minus 1. So if we put our x equals to 3 in this question, in this thing, so then we will get 2 to the power 3 square minus 2 into 3. So that is equals to 2 to the power 9 minus 6. So we will get 2. Okay. And if we put minus 1, then we should get 2 to the power minus 1 whole square plus 2 into minus 1. So that will be 2 to the power 1. Sorry, that should be minus. So 1 plus 2, so we will get only 3. Sorry, that will be 2 to the power. Okay, so in both of the cases, we are getting 2 to the power 3 as a question, as a answer here. So our Correct answer of this question will be what? So the correct answer of this question will be our option C, which is 2Q. Okay. So hope you understood, guys. Again, I am telling that if you have any other mathematical queries, doubts, or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number or WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID. Then our team can arrange it out clearing session for you. After that, you can join our regular batches, our one-on-one sessions, and our online classes. So that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations. Okay. Hope you understood, guys. Thank you.